Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a new topic in Linux, how to get the history on the terminal with the help of history command. So we are going to see an important command, that is your history command in Linux. For this I require the terminal, so I am opening the terminal which is open in terminal. Now if I want what commands I have executed on this particular terminal previously, if I want them, I can straight away write the command which is called as my history command. You will see that there are almost 150 commands which I have executed previously. Over here you will have 1000 previous commands that are being executed, but since I have executed only 150 commands, it is just showing me 150 commands that have been executed over here. So these are the commands which I have been executed. Now suppose any of the command which I want to re-execute it, what I'm going to do is, suppose the mkdir test is the command which I want to re-execute it. What I will do is, I will have to just remember the history number. So the history number for mkdir, it is 136. So what I will do is, I will have to write exclamation and then the number, that is 136, and press enter. Once I press enter, what is going to happen, the mkdir test command will be executed once again, because on 136 this particular command was existing. And you will see that once the execution is done, mkdir test is going to just create a directory which is going to be named as my test over here. So this is the test directory which will be created. I will show you one more example. Suppose I want to execute my ls command, say it is at number 135. So what I'm going to do is, it is just that put an exclamation mark and write down 135, that is the history number, and press enter. You will find that with the help of ls command is used for listing, and it is going to list on the desktop. You have this particular files on your desktop. So this was all about the history command, which is actually absolutely important command, because we tend to forget which command we have executed on the terminal. So this Linux provides us a very good command, that is a history command, from which we can identify that there are various commands that we have executed on this particular terminal. The overall lines of the commands are 1000, so 1000 commands are actually being tracked with the help of the history command. So that's all for this particular topic. If you like this particular video, please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.